Hey everybody, ReichpoloTech here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the rear windshield wiper blade on the Toyota Highlander. Now this is a 2006 Toyota Highlander. It's a first generation, but the second generation and all the other generations are pretty much exactly the same. So anyways, it takes a 12-inch wiper blade. This is a Bosch model H307. I got it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for you guys. But anyways, let's get down to it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is very gently pull this plastic cap out just a little bit, not too much, or you'll break it, and it slides right off like this. Now there are two little tiny plastic little clips in here like this, and if you bend this plastic too much, it's brittle and it will break. So be careful with that, taking it off. That allows you to take the arm and bend it up like this. Now don't let it smack back down, because if it smacks back down against the glass, it obviously could break your glass. So be very careful to keep it up here and not let it slap forward. All right, so from this other angle, this is what it looks like. Now, the part that we're gonna wanna replace here is this area just right here, just the blade only. And the way to do that is to just take this and you pop it forward like that, and then it slides right out this little channel here. So there's a little circular post in there that slides right into this slot right here, and then once you get it out, just pop it right out. Now be careful, once again, these are plastic. They're hard plastic, but they're plastic and they could be brittle if you've got a 14-year-old car or more like mine, and they could break. So then you would end up having to replace this whole arm right here. Once again, not a very expensive thing to do. Just why would we want to replace it if we don't have to? It's better just to replace this piece only. So I'm going to grab my Bosch one here, pull it out. As you can see, it's the exact same shape and everything as the one I just took off. And I'll find that slot right here. Now you can see here, this little lower indentation part is going to go on this side, and the side that's a little bit higher is going to be on the outside here. So take that slot, or that little round bar in there, put it right in that slot. Push it all the way down, and then you're gonna bend it back until it clips in. There you go. And now very gently take the arm and put it back down against the glass. Don't let it slam down, because if you let it slam down against the glass, you could break your glass, and you definitely don't want to do that. Next, you take this little plastic clip that we took off earlier and gently slide it right back down in there so you don't break it. Now I'm really quickly going to show you the whole thing from the top view. So once again, pry out this gently as to not break it, slide it out. Bend your arm out. There you go. This just gently pops forward like that, and then slides right out this slot. Grab your new blade. Put that right back into there. Bend it back down until it clicks, and then push it forward back to the glass. And then put your plastic cover here back on. All right, everybody, so that's as simple as it is. I hope you found this video useful and helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button for me. Also, consider subscribing to the channel for me. Check out my other Toyota Highlander videos, as well as all the other content that I put out. Hit that little bell notification on the subscribe button. That way you'll get notifications as soon as I put out new content. And also, if you could, leave a comment for me. Let me know what you think, and if there's any other thing on the Toyota Highlander that you want me to make a video of, I'll try to do it if I can. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.